the tool for it.
Yes. No, that one fits great.
It's a Mercedes one.
And look at how big your springs are. Wow.
Hold it up, Peter. Let's see. Smile. Oh, hold on. Let me get you.
Ooh, R12 in a can.
Wow.
It's like a present. Look it.
Is that the controller cushions?
Yes. And that's like my ex.
Yeah, they're gone.
Just a little bit.
You're not really supposed to be able to.
Yeah, you should be. Who wants to do this side?
Peter does.
I'm a little
Too
afraid
damn
of it.
quiet over there.
No, I'm
Go
a little
for it,
afraid
Peter.
of it. What do you
All right, so I'll set it up, and you knock them down.
knock them down?
It's a bowling joke. Ding, fries are done. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this up. Can you grab it up there?
Oh, this?
Yeah, grab it. Pull it all the way up.
Wait a minute.
Like you're gonna take the whole thing out. Keep going. Go all the way. Okay, let me see it again. I want to see it.
It's all the way up.
Yeah, bring it to me. There we go. Okay. So that, let's keep it like that. And come through here slowly. I'll tell you when. Hold on, whoa, go back up. So I want to get the plate in. Okay. Go in a little bit.
You gonna huff it? Probably gonna.
I'm gonna turn it.
Crack them open and like freeze them. Yes. Break.
All right, Peter, rotate. Hold on, stay right there.
Right away.
I'll spin it. There you go. Okay, right there. Stop. Wait. Where is? I had this set. Yeah.
So I'm gonna see him.
It's usually similar to the one before.
Come all the way down.
You use back into the. They work perfect.
And now.
Do you have any light?
Because I was at
We actually started this. Sorry, I doubt it.
What year is that?
I don't know.
There you go. Okay, now turn.
Turn, that thing fell down.
It's okay. We just gotta turn this a little bit. Stay right there. Okay, Peter. Now pull up on that, and then run the thread by hand until it starts to break. Righty tighty.
You mean turn it?
Yep. Try it again. Like you're tightening the bolt.
But it's, I don't feel nothing.
Go all the way down. Like what he said.
Oh, I see.
Right, righty tighty.
Other way, other way, Peter.
Right.
Yep.
It was going that way.
Now you are. Okay, now that
I'm
you're
never
picking-
gonna get this, left or right.
Now that you're picking it up, go ahead and you'll gain tension on it. Keep going. No, don't do
I don't
that.
put that. Did I take it out?
Yeah, go. Just keep going. Did you get it? Mess me up. I think I missed you. You're
Okay,
good.
you put this on there and it'll give you. You
Tighten
want
it
to
down,
things
yeah.
down in there.
That's better.
I don't see, but there's like fingers going across the
Fingers in the bottom.
Is it working?
Go ahead, Peter.
slots in it. That thing.
You gotta go way
You
up.
get it, you twist it, and it locks in.
Did you just slide? You just slid the plate in.
Spring.
Yeah.
You just slide it in.
Oh, it's getting tighter.
Up a couple.
There you go. Okay, go till it's
Way to
tight.
play with it on the
You
other
need
side.
the.
Stop.
to
Keep
get
going.
it.
No, go ahead.
Press
You
it
gotta
out.
go, go, go.
Well, it's getting tighter.
Yeah, exactly. That's what you want.
Oh.
Then put the ratchet on it.
That going in the
Peter,
right way?
going.
Yep.
Yeah. Crank it, Peter.
I
Go.
wouldn't do that to you.
We would maybe once though.
You really confused me. I got dog hair all over the head of my car.
You got a long ways to go. So.
Yeah.
What was that?
There you go. Just broke free. That's good.